mamas, welcome back, and if you're new here, I'm so glad you found this. We're going to be spending the next 10 minutes moving through some gentle poses, specifically targeting the lower back pain and all the heaviness that you've been carrying. All you need is a set of blocks, a pillow, and your permission to slow down. So whenever you're ready, let's get started. Come down to your mat and bring your knees wide as it feels good for your belly. Big toes touching, and just let your hips sink back. Take a second to actually arrive here. With every exhale, let your lower back release a little more. You don't have to do anything. Just breathe and let gravity do the work. Let's take one more breath in and exhale as you release. Come up to all fours with your hands and your knees on the mat. On your inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest, cow pose. And on your exhale, round everything, tuck your chin to your chest, cat pose. Inhale as you lift through your chest, your throat into cow. And exhale as you round, pulling your belly, your baby in towards your spine. Let the breath lead you. There's no rush here. If a certain spot in your back feels tight, hang out there for an extra breath. This is your practice. One more time as you move through cow and cat. Stay on all fours. Extend your left leg to the side. As you inhale, reach your right arm up, and on the exhale, sweep it underneath your left armpit, like you're reaching for something on the other side. Rest your right ear, cheek, shoulder on the mat. You might feel a big release across your upper back and shoulder. That's exactly what we're going for. Slowly coming back through center and switch sides. Right leg goes to the side. Left arm reaches up on the inhale. And on the exhale, thread it under. Notice if one side feels tighter than the other. And that's really normal, especially in pregnancy. No judgment. Just notice. Let's take one more breath in. Exhale as you release. Coming back onto all fours. Step your right foot forward into a lunge. Put a folded blanket or a pillow under your left knee if that feels better. You can interlace your hands on your thigh or let them stay on your hips as you rock forward and back. Slowly step the right foot back to center and step your left foot forward into a lunge. Continue as you rock forward and back, moving with your hips. This movement releases the hip flexors, which get so tight in pregnancy, and pull directly on your lower back. And slowly come back to center. Bring both your hands on your mat And with control, walk your feet out wide, wider than your hips, toes turned out, and sink into a squat. If your heels don't touch the floor, that's totally fine. Grab a block or a folded blanket and put it under them. Press your elbows into your knees and feel your lower back just decompress. This one is so good for the sciatica joint pain a lot of us deal with in pregnancy. One more breath in and exhale, release. Slowly make your way out of your yogi squat and come down to seated. Bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall open. Sit up nice and tall, and you can close your eyes here if that feels good. You're not pushing the knees down, you're just letting them open at their own pace. Breathe into your hips and inner thighs. Up to sit with your legs wide. Walk your hands forward as far as it feels comfortable. You can rest your head on a block, your arms, whatever you've got. We are not going for flexibility, we are going for release. Breathe into the back of your legs and your spine. And gently lift up inch by inch and come on down to your left side. You can grab a pillow and tuck it between your knees. Draw your top knee gently toward your chest. Let it rest on your pillow. You'll feel this right in your hip and lower back, where you need it the most. Let's stay here for a few breaths. We'll flip over to the right side. Take your time, rolling over. Pull the left knee in towards your chest and place it on top of your pillow. Slowly come out of this pose as you roll onto your back. Or if that's not comfortable, stay slightly propped. You can take a block and place it under your lower back. Feet are hip width apart, knees bent. Inhale to lift your hips up. Exhale to slowly roll them back down. We'll do about 8 of these. On your last one, hold at the top. Feel the front of your hips open up and your glutes doing some work. Staying here for 3, 2, and 1. Gently release your hips down on your mat. Come on down to your left side. Pillow under your head, pillow between your knees, and just let everything go. You've done the work. You showed up today for yourself and for your baby. Gently bring in some movement back into your body. And whenever you're ready, prop yourself up as you make your way to seated. Let's take one more breath in and exhale as you release. Thank you for sharing this space with me. Namaste.